Kuliah pun fibro saya sempat kejemutip nam tai kubor Laitkam hikai tidon kembal Laitli ki pos ki pala jong ki assistant lecturer ma assistant lecturer kini artli ki de jong RMSA kawe ke de jong deficit the RMSA the name of the post the kane bro application in standard form are invited for filling of the vacancy of assistant lecturer in various subjects at Tirot Singh Memorial Government Higher Secondary School Laitkam kane kare hapo Laitkam ma kan mau ki RMSA ki debit contractual te ka tulop 4 ong te ka age limit ki de khat pra to life arts name as on first day of January 2022. However, relaxation kan sans name te ngot ba life ho news name hadu life ho news name bar ki bala tere lupa po school bila hikai lupa kan de hadu sa post name te ki post ki bala ki de jong assistant lecturer in history te pia mende be ka master in history plus B.Ed ma te ka assistant lecturer in economics ka we ka post tur habda be ka MA economics plus B.Ed habda be B.Ed habda be ma te tu kadai contractual then interested candidate are submit the application on or before khatsau tarik November RJFR kadai khatsau tarik November RJFR the office of undersigned room number 12 during office hour kadai po Shillong ma is Kasil district district school education officer district project officer RMSA haka room number khat R salai submit po Shillong ma kana contact number and email address phep tholot baro ekta hapo ka form te sakawe beda kare jong ka deficit post jong ki assistant teacher deficit post vacancy in Cleariat Higher Secondary School assistant teacher qualification MA B.Ed political science and history film de MA B.Ed mengenai with minimum 3 years experience kane license name experience gidan kam te drill master drill master 2 drill master qualification graduate with NCC certificate or BPT MPT last date of submission of application to the principal office kandai ho khasan tarik November RJFR tel air contact number pra lai nhiều sau ar san lai nhiều not ban prasan sau nhiều san ar nhiều sau not lai kan mau kidon artali kawe gede assistant teacher bar kawe gede drill master sangine gejebutip krajban